Alright guys, I'm going to do a video from ICM. There's 11 wires coming out of the ICM, and this is where I got confused the most. So, I'll do a breakdown. Sorry about video quality, I'm not used to doing this. I don't video shit, so. There's 11 wires on my ICM. Top one there is blue with green stripe. Next one next to it is red with yellow stripe, and then next one after that is solid green. Then after that is yellow with a white blue stripe. Yep, yellow with blue stripe, and then blue with yellow stripe over here. And that's top row. Oh wait, what's the far one? Far one is, and then after that is black by itself, and then white with a yellow stripe for that top row. By top row, I mean opposite of the clip. You see the bottom of it here. That's the little finger clip. So however you consider that, the way it's oriented for me is top row. It could be bottom row, how you want to orient it. And then the next row down is yellow with red stripe, light green with red stripe, green with white stripe, solid yellow. Okay, so that's all 11 wires. Now, the way I did this, like I said, you can do it by yourself, but I combined my grounds and my coil wires into the same plug, and solid green, green with red, and green with white are combined into one here before it goes through this connection and up to chassis ground. I did that because I had a 3-plug laying around, so that's what I decided to use. This blue with yellow and yellow with blue go to coil. So those are mounted on the back side, or on underside of my E-tank down there. Okay, and there's my regulator rectifier there. And then I've got the main power switch on the front, and on the back I have start switch, and then that's my fan switch, and eventually I'm going to run lights. I've already got the hole for it drilled. That's going to be for my lights, but that's down the road. And then there's my fuse box. I have everything disconnected right now because I needed this out of the way so that I could show you guys deeper in here. I know it's a mess. I haven't loomed and wired everything. The bike is running. It's rideable. I've already ridden it, so I know it works. So this plug here, like I said, is blue with yellow, yellow with blue, and then the 3 greens. Green with white stripe, light green with red stripe, and solid green are all combined because I believe the light green with red and the green with white are your safeties, which is neutral safety and kickstand switch. So those are combined. To override them, you have to ground them solid. So that's what I did. Dang it. I grounded them all together and then just ran them to chassis ground. Okay. And then that's those 3 with this plug. Is red with the yellow stripe, yellow with a red stripe, and blue with a green stripe. Those go to the throttle position sensor up on the carburetor. So those are combined. Like I said, I just added my own plug here. Those are combined, and they head off to their destination. After that, you've got yellow and white with yellow stripe. Those go to your pulse generator on the bottom of the right side of the motor. And then solid black here is power in, 12-volt power in to ICM. So that's all 11 wires that I have on my ICM.